This curved linear shape is totally in balance with activated texture. Section the hair from the center of the fringe to the nape and from the highest point of the ear through the apex to the other side. Create a traveling guideline parallel to the center part. Project the hair 90 degrees away from the curve of the head. Cut parallel to the vertical parting above the ear. Use the tip of the razor to cut at a 90-degree angle. Position your fingers parallel to the head. Work with the razor from the inside to the outside. Use your razor to slice cut natural layers on both sides. Using the crown guideline, cut the hair in vertical sections. Standing directly behind the client, keep the head straight while gliding your razor down the shaft of the hair. Reverse your position and repeat step 10. Do not cut further than your second knuckle. Position your fingers in an upright position at the sides. Using your guideline from the crown, work with vertical partings. In the lower nape area, cut the hair parallel to the curve of the head. Move the razor in an arching motion from short to long. On each side of the head, use your razor to slice cut the hair from short to long. The fringe is cut in a soft, concave perimeter line. To create diffused ends, use the razor over comb technique, following the natural curve of the head. Cut the perimeter of the hair on both sides to create a soft outline.